Okay, what I've got here is some definitions, vocabulary terms with their definitions all in the E&M section. Super helpful if you want to pause the screen and then write these definitions in your CPT book and right before the E&M section, right before you start coding. Super handy. I do have some A, B, C, and D questions here with the answers to go along with some of those definitions. Super helpful. Just to get you in the frame of mind of what is history, what is an examination. This one is trying to show you how to do the process of elimination by looking for codes similarities. So that's what the color coding is. So then you can get down to just A and D, and then of course D is your answer. Just one more for bonus. Medicare patients are super tricky. They do not pay for any consults, so you know right away it's just an ER visit. I hope this is helpful. This is just a snippet of what I'm doing in the workshop today. I've also updated my website to include some extra free information there, guys, so be sure and check that out, medicalcodingbyjen.com.